always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now this time, let's sing together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
That was lovely. Hello, friend. It's so good to see you.
It sure is, Mr. Goose.
Hedgehog, you just used the letter of the day.
Goody! What is it?
The letter G. G makes the sound G in goose. Listen. G, G, goose.
G, G, goose.
Now you try.
G, G, goose.
Very good.
You just used the letter of the day, too.
I did?
Yes, you said good. G, G, good.
Well done, Hedgehog. That was very observant.
Thank you. I want to listen for more words that begin with G.
Here are more things that begin with G.
Gift. G, G, gift. Goose. G, G, goose.
That's me. Hello.
Grapes. G, G, grapes. Guitar. G, G, guitar. Girl. G, G, girl. Goat. G, G, goat.
What letter do all these words start with?
G.
That's right. The letter G.
Hi, it's me, Pig. Let's do a letter dance. say G.
G.
All right, say it again.
G.
Groovy. Let's dance.
Letter G, letter G. What's that letter? Letter G. Every letter makes a sound. What's this sound? Let's break it down.
Get down.
G, g, g. Goat. G, g, g. Gift. G, g, g. Girl. G, g, g. Goose.
That's me. Hello.
That's the letter G.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah. That's the letter G.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, hey, hey.
G.
Groovy. I love dancing together. Bye.
Letter G. Letter G. What's that letter? Hey everybody. Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game. I want to hear you too. Let's all play the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What's this letter?
O.
What's this letter?
C.
What's this letter?
Q.
What's this letter?
G.
Now let's do it fast.
O. C. Q. G. Q. O. G. C. G. O. Q. C. O. Q. C. G.
Nice work, everybody. That's how you play the alphabet game. When you see a letter,
You say its name. The letter G.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Baby Babble. This book is full of some fun baby talk. Let's read it together. Let's begin. Baby Babble, written by Katharine Graham, illustrated by Nicola Smith, designed by Sarah Slater. Which shoes? You choose. Please, please, more peas. Num num, yum yum. All gone. Everyone tells Annelle that numbers are all around her, but she can't see them. Sore. Where could they be? Are sore. Let's read and find out. Nice. This story features a little girl, ice cream dog, and a cat. Let's see what happens. Who's there? Shongolo's shoes are missing. Teddy bear. Where could they be? Let's find out. Where's Dum Dum? Tall, short, baby's sad, above, below. This is a book about opposites. Dum Dum. Let's take a look. Baby's glad. Small bird lives with a giant. Splash. See if you can guess who the giant really is. Night, night. Nandi really doesn't want to go to sleep. The end. Will she? Let's find out together. Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing a song called This Old Man. I'll sing the first verse, and then you can join in. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Let's do it.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack paddywhack. Give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Oh dear, what number comes after 1?
2.
You're right. Let's all sing.
This old man, he played too.
He played knick-knack on my shoe.
With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Fantastic. And what number comes after 2? Fox?
3!
That's right. Here we go.
This old man, he played 3.
He played knick-knack on my knee.
With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Great singing, everyone. Now what number is after 3?
4!
Yes, here we go.
This old man, he played 4.
He played knick-knack on my door.
With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Let's do one more. Now let's see. What number comes after 4?
5!
Oh, of course. Let's sing.
This old man, he played 5.
He played knick-knack on my hive.
With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Thank you for helping me with my numbers today.
Oh, Mr. Frog, you know your numbers.
Well then, thanks for helping me sing. See you next time, everybody. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Frog.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Let's do the monkey dance! Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 10. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 10 times. Clap 10 times. Nod 10 times. Point 10 times. March 10 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me. Let's have a pattern party. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. When I say a pattern, repeat to the beat. Okay, everybody. I'll say a pattern. Then repeat it back with me. Wigglebug, bird. 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 You did it! Come on, Pig. Now it's your turn.
Okay. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. When I say a pattern, repeat to the beat. Bird, bird, wigglebug. Bird, bird, wigglebug.
Bird, bird, wigglebug. Bird, bird, wigglebug.
Keep going.
Bird, bird, wigglebug. Bird, bird, wigglebug.
Hedgehog and I are doing one together. Patterns repeat. you have a pattern party.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Oh yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane. Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Oh yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man